Starting today, you will see this weird button whenever opening Visual Studio Code. That's because last month GitHub proudly unveiled its latest crime against humanity. The almighty GitHub Copilot is now free, yet terms, conditions and your soul may apply. You get a magnificent 2000 code completions per month. Just enough to make you dependent, but not enough to actually finish a project. But hey, Microsoft has this grand vision of enabling 1 billion developers on GitHub, because apparently 150 million suffering developers aren't enough. They're fusing the world's most popular AI developer tool with the world's most powerful code editor. A marriage nobody asked for, but everyone's getting anyway. Choose your AI overlord wisely. Claude 3.5 Sonnet or GPT-4o. One writes poetry while refactoring your code, the other judges your variable naming with passive-aggressive comments. Both will happily help you reinvent the wheel with fresh bugs included at no extra charge. And now you can explain code entirely in natural language, because reading documentation was so 2023. Plus, you get multi-file edits, perfect for breaking your entire codebase at once instead of just one file at a time. The dashboard integration means you can now ask Copilot deep questions like, why does my code work in dev but not in prod? Can you explain this legacy code written 5 years ago? Or how many Stack Overflow posts were harmed in making this suggestion? But wait, there's more, there always is. You can access Copilot's third-party ecosystem of agents because one AI assistant wasn't confusing enough. And of course, you will still get those beloved code completions, the core function that started the entire Copilot platform shift, or as I like to call it, Stack Overflow, but with extra steps. The best part? It integrates seamlessly with VS Code, because apparently what every developer needs is another pop-up interrupting their flow state. You now have a very eager intern who watched one YouTube coding tutorial and now won't stop suggesting optimizations. And remember, with great power comes great subscription fees. But don't worry, it's all part of Microsoft's master plan to democratize AI, one confused developer at a time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you're ready for more advanced content, consider becoming a free newsletter subscriber at fabianfrankwerner.com/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.